So the product development team recently took a deep dive into our punch offering. We looked at what were our best sellers, what customers were wanting, and we really curated our punch offering and added some great new punches based on what our customers wanted. So let me tell you about some of those new items that we have. These are launching in February of 2022, and the price point varies depending on the type of punch. But first of all, corner punches are huge. People love corner punches, and so we have some new offerings here. Let me show you really quick. We have this set right here. So it creates these different corner notches, fun different designs. Here's an example of what the craft team was able to do with it. We also have our nesting punches. So these come in a variety of different shapes and sizes. This is our butterfly set. We found that crafters often want kind of coordinating sizes of a specific design so that they can kind of layer them or play around with the composition in different ways. We also have some new punches that punch and emboss at the same time, which is really fun. And then we have our border punch. This creates really large borders, and it has this guide that makes it super easy to do. So you actually start with a cartridge. So we have a bunch of different designs. We're going to put this in here. Take our paper. It's going to slide right in. And then we're just going to punch down and then slide this along. It's going to click into place. So there's no realignment needed. And you can see that beautiful border coming into view. There we go. I'll just lift up this, pull it out. And so you can imagine the really fun, layouts and cards that you can create with this. Again, we have all sorts of different border designs. So yeah, whether you're looking for corner punches, layered punches, embossing punches, border punches, again, we've curated our collection. We have what your customers are looking for.